What happens after we die? It's a question that has puzzled humanity for ages. But according to Nikola Tesla, if we want to uncover the universe's secrets, we should think about energy, frequency, and vibration. As both an intuitive medium and an electrical engineer, I've taken the wisdom of outwardly researchers, scientists, and engineers and applied it to my own abilities. I've developed electronic devices that allow me to communicate with what I believe are paranormal and afterlife beings through noise. My journey started by using custom-made applications and direct radio voices devices created by other incredible researchers, but I've taken it a step further, incorporating the universal elements of energy, frequency, and vibration into my own devices, and the results have been mind-blowing, revolutionizing how we connect with the spirit world. Now I'm exploring a new frontier in spirit communication. I've developed devices that generate noise coupled with audio application filters to communicate with beings and spirits. It's a controversial field, but I invite anyone with an open heart and mind to try this spiritual communication for themselves and ask yourself, what if?
They're here.
Spirit guides, you here? Spirit team. How you all are talking. You got a lot to say. Do you know how many fingers I have up? I think you said 2. Thank you. Do you know what I'm holding in my hand? Are you able to use this to talk? How many spirit team members are here? Did you say 4? Thank you. Are we getting close to finding the proper apps? Sending you lots of love and light, Spirit Team. Okay, I'm gonna end this session here. Any last words of wisdom? Okay, thank you for participating. Much love and light.